Today I want to show you another big part actually of my life besides dropshipping. Hello guys, my name is Petty Ecom and I run and I do e-commerce dropshipping on a daily basis. It's my full-time job. But by the side I have another business, which is my car magazine VDL, Vehicle Dreamland. You can follow it here on the Instagram. What I mainly do is to just post about awesome cars that I find here in Denmark, and also post about other cars here. Because of my marketing skills, which I've also learned through dropshipping, I've managed to get great brand deals with big car companies such as Ford, Kia, Suzuki, you name it, right? I've gotten big deals with them where I get a car, I'm gonna review it for them pretty much. In order for me to get these cars, it have involved in a lot of my marketing skills, how I reach people, and I've learned a lot of that through dropshipping. So I thought this would be a very interesting video for you. Today's a special day. In about 20 minutes, I'm gonna drive from my home here. I'm here at my office right now. I'm gonna drive in and I'm gonna pick up a brand new car. It's a Kia Proceed GT. It's a big family saloon car with a 204 horsepower, so it's an awesome car. I'm gonna be driving that for the next week. I'm gonna have so much fun in it. So this video is gonna be about my life besides dropshipping. You're gonna see me getting this car today. You're gonna see the enjoyment of having it, what I'm gonna do with it, and how you can do this exact same thing. I've made a video about this before where I picked up another car from a big company, Suzuki, and it's just a way to show you guys that learning all these marketing skills so you can sell products via dropshipping, you can. It's not just for dropshipping. You can utilize that in everything you want to do. Let's get on to it. Let's move in to the city and pick this car up. I'm so excited.
I think we're ready right now.
Hey guys, I just picked it up from the dealership, but it's such an amazing deep blue color. And so you got the blue color with the red bumps and pieces everywhere. We got some red at the front bumper, got some red at the side here. We got red calipers, a red center thing right there. We got the sunroof that can be turned down. Well, that can pretty much, it's like a table that just can be moved away. It's pretty awesome. And yeah, what I like about this car, now first and foremost, as you can see, there's dual pipes, and it's actually real pipes. It's not fake. A lot of car manufacturers are doing this fake nowadays. This is not. There's actually two pipes in there. Well, there's one in there and there's one in there, which is an amazing feature. Let me show you the insides of the car. This is what you get into. See, it's very beautiful. We got Alcantara all over the place. It's very bucket seats. We got leather in here. The GT.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Closed. As of right now, I've had it for a couple hours, but overall right now, this is gonna be a car that I'm super excited about to test. So throughout the week, I'm gonna update you guys on Instagram, so pop up here and check it out, and also check out Vehicle Dreamland. I think that's it. Like, this is an awesome car, and yeah, it's gonna be an amazing week. So thank you for tuning in. This is a quick video, maybe not a quick video, but this is just to show you the other side of my life besides dropshipping. You can do everything once you learn to market. And yeah, this is that for this video. It will mean the world to me if you want to subscribe, like, dislike, comment, do whatever. Any engagement is gonna grow the channel, and I can make more awesome videos and content like this. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.